Finally, 2026 current affair of top 10 richest men and women in Anambra State is finally out. Top 10 richest men, not young billionaires. Top 10 richest men and women in Anambra State 2026 is finally out. And number 10, we have Chief Chidi Anyebu. Chief Chidi Anyebu is the founder of Chisco Group Transportation Company with net worth of $300 million, which is about 500 billion naira. He's number 10. Number 9, we have Dr. Stella Okori. Dr. Stella Okori is the founder of Enzo Medicine. You should know Enzo is a popular medicine in Nigeria. Dr. Stella Okori is the founder of Enzo with net worth of $380 million, which is above 600 billion naira. Now, number 8, we have Chief Innocent Chukwuma, the founder of Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing Limited, Innocent Motors, with net worth of $450 million, which is above 700 billion naira. Now, number 7, we have Dr. ABC Ojiako, the founder of Seplat Energy, with net worth of $500 million, which is above 750 billion naira. Now, number 6, we have Allen Onyema, the founder of Airpeace. You all know Airpeace. Now, with net worth of $650 million, which is above 1 trillion naira. Now, Alex Onyema is number 6. Now, number 5, we have Cosmas Madoka. Cosmas Madoka is the founder and chairman of Coscharis Group. Now, with net worth of $800 million, which is about 1.2 trillion naira. Now, number 4, we have Ernest Azodialo Obiejesi from Okija in Anambra State. He is the founder and chairman of Obi Jackson Group. You should know Obi Jackson in Okija. Now, with net worth of $900 million, which is above 1.3 trillion naira. Now, $900 million is number 4. Number 3, we have Kretus Ibeto. Number 3, we have Kretus Ibeto. Kretus Ibeto is the founder of Ibeto Group from Nnewi, Anambra State, with net worth of $1.2 billion. This one a very huge amount of money. Now, this is number 3 is Kretus Ibeto. Number 2, we have Sir Emeka Ofo from Orifite, my own town. Sir Emeka Ofo, the founder of Chrome Group, and also he's the owner of electricity in Enugu State. Now, Sir Emeka Ofo with net worth of $1.6 billion. Okay, we go. Sir Emeka Ofo is number 2. Now, number 1, please, if you like this video, follow my page for more updates because I'm going to post Imo State, Enugu State, and other states in Nigeria, not just Anambra State. I'm going to update it, all the other states. So follow my page for more updates. Number 1, Prince Arthur Eze. Prince Arthur Eze is the chairman of Atra Orlando Petroleum. Atlas Orlando Petroleum. Atlas Orlando Petroleum. Okay, where you go. With net worth of $2.5 billion. Too much money. Prince Arthur Eze Nubo, Anambra State, is number 1 richest man in Anambra State.